Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones and discussing the highly anticipated Google Pixel Fold 2. With rumors swirling about its expected features, cost, and release date, let's break it all down. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. First up, let's talk about the design. It's expected that the Pixel Fold 2 will bear a striking resemblance to its predecessor, maintaining the sleek and sophisticated aesthetic that Google is known for. Now onto the display. Rumor has it that the Pixel Fold 2 will sport a 5.8-inch cover screen and a larger 7.6-inch inner display, or possibly both. This would provide users with a versatile viewing experience for both everyday tasks and multimedia consumption. In terms of performance, the Pixel Fold 2 is rumored to be powered by the Tensor G4 chipset, offering improved speed and efficiency over its predecessor. With up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, this device is poised to deliver seamless multitasking and ample storage for all your needs. Moving on to the cameras, while details are scarce, it's possible that the Pixel Fold 2 will see enhancements to its current camera setup. With Google's reputation for exceptional camera quality, we can expect nothing short of stunning photos and videos. On the software front, it's likely that the Pixel Fold 2 will ship with Android 14, offering the latest features and enhancements. While extended support for OS and security updates is uncertain, users can expect at least 3 years of OS updates and 5 years of security updates. And finally, regarding the battery, details are currently scarce. However, we hope to see improvements over the Pixel Fold's 4,800 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting power for all-day use. With an expected price of £1,749 to £1,799,